Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To calculate an expansion fitting, first identify the type of pipe material and the total length of the pipe run. Use the coefficient of linear expansion for the pipe material, alongside the temperature differential it will experience. The formula is L equals L0 alpha delta T, where L is the length change, L0 is the original length of the pipe, alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion, and delta T is the temperature change. This calculation helps in determining the size and type of expansion fitting required to accommodate the expansion and contraction of the piping system.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.